It's Micro Love Sharks HD.
Hey, this is Michael from Micro Love Sharks HD.
And Micro from Micro Love Sharks HD.
And we're about to go golfing.
We're gonna hit some balls.
Hit some golf balls. We'll see you there. We have arrived at Westchester Golf Club. A lot of balls there.
Yeah. Let's get them all in here.
What are we doing?
Going home.
Going home. See you there. Well, how did golfing go, Meeks?
Man, it was great.
Yeah, we had a good time, right?
Yeah.
We did a little driving, a little putting.
That was all fun, and I did the greatest job ever. Say, really?
Really?
Say, hope you like this video.
Well, that too. Of course,
See,
we hope you like
it.
If not, get some of this.
Share the video with your friends.
Share the video with your friends, and we'll see you next time on
Micro Love Sharks HD.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you
next
guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.